Hi, and welcome to the Education Academy. My name's Judith Hay, and I'm going to show you today how to conduct a break-even analysis using Excel and a small program that is contained within the data section. On the data tab, you can see a section that will be called What If, and that's the what if analysis that we're going to use a bit later on. Okay? We have a set of costs associated with selling a product and making that product. Our product is going to cost £5.99, and our projection is that we will be making and selling 1,500 of them. And that will generate for us a revenue of £8,985. And we know that the costs involved in actually making the product are £3. So our variable costs, the ones that move in accordance with the units we sell, is 1,500 times £3, which gives us quite nicely £4,500. And we know that we have fixed costs of £6,000. On those prices and that number of units sold and those costs, we are not going to make a profit on this product. In actual fact, we're going to make a loss of £1,515. So what we need to do is find out where the break-even point is. And we can do that by increasing the selling price. We can do it by increasing the units sold. We can reduce the costs per unit, which in turn will reduce the variable costs. And the other alternative is to reduce our fixed costs. So with that in mind, I have taken this piece of information and I've copied it, as you can see, into these places here. And I'm identifying in the coloured section what part we're going to change, just so as we can remember as we go along. We highlight the cell that we want to be 0, because bearing in mind we're doing break-even analysis, so profit is 0. And now we're going to go to the Data tab, to the What If analysis, and we're going to go to Goal Seek. So if I select Goal Seek now, and this is a movable window, you can move it wherever you like to make it easy, and I will be moving it as we go around. I've selected the cell I want to change. We want it to have a value of 0, break even, and we're going to change the selling price. So I click into this part here by changing cell, so I need to change the cell of the selling price. I click OK, and you will see that it changes my selling price to £7. So if I increase my selling price to £7 with the same number of units sold, I would generate 0 profit. But that's my break-even point. Anything after that is going to be pure profit. Then I'm going to look at the units sold. Exactly the same principle. I click on the profit, I choose the what if analysis, I go to Goal Seek, E18, that's the one it's highlighted. I want it to be 0. And this time, because I'm looking at changing the units sold, I need to change that one, E13, units sold. I click on OK, and it will change it, and as you can see, I need to sell 2006.69 units. Not going to happen. That will be 2007, because you can't sell 0.69 of a product, not unless you're rather clever. So on to changing the cost per unit, our next option. Exactly the same principle. What if, Goal Seek, change H18 to 0, and this time we are going to look at changing the cost per unit. Click on that one, click OK, and you can now see that if we can reduce our cost per unit to £1.99, we can still sell 1,500 units. Okay? And finally, changing the fixed costs. The what if analysis, the Goal Seek, K18 to 0, and this time we're going to look at if we can change our fixed costs and how much by. And the reality is we need to reduce our fixed costs to £4,485. So a very quick lesson in how to conduct a break-even analysis given a set of figures. And I hope that helps you in your work, and I look forward to talking to you again soon. Thanks for watching. Take care for now. Bye.